What is Ramzan? Is it doing ibadat, going to iftaris, or making iftaris for your family? I usually ask that question every year since I have been away from my family for like 10 years. तो फिर मैंने आज सोचा कि क्यों ना वो यादें, बचपन की यादें वापस लेकर आऊं and show all of that to Mikhail as well. So what I am doing today is making all those lovely and delicious iftari items that I grew up having when I was a kid at my mom's place. Of course, I can't go back in time, so I thought, why not do it today with the current situation that we have and make it a great experience. So, right now, I am starting off with chicken sandwiches, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. And as I go along, I will try to share as many recipes as I can. And in the end, you can see the entire spread. Welcome to Melbourne Mum Vlog. So for the chicken sandwiches, I boiled some chicken tenderloins because I prefer that they're more moist, and I'm shredding them finely, so you need to really finely shred them. So now I'm going to be making the chicken mixture for the sandwiches, and you need 2 big tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of mustard, salt, and pepper. Mix it. So once the mixture is fully mixed, it should be nice and moist. Now I'm going to assemble them in the chicken sandwiches, and that's going to be the end product. You can freeze this mixture or also put it in the refrigerator for 5 days. So the next favorite thing in my house is papri chaat. That I have started making it a month ago or so, and I want to share it with you guys. It's not something I used to have often when I was a kid, but it's something that we love a lot, and I'm definitely going to share the recipe with you guys now. So add some papri. This is chat khara papri. Then top it off with some potatoes. Now add some diced onion. You can add as much as you want according to your taste. Then add some chutney, some imli. Now top it off with chaat papri. I've just got a few left over, so that's what I'm just using. Top it off with more papri. Add a little more onion. Now add some yogurt. You can add as much yogurt as you want. I usually put it underneath as well, but I forgot. So this is yogurt with sugar, and it has to be very thin. Now top it off with the remaining chutney and some more turmeric. And then put some pomegranate and top it off with some sev puri. So this is papri chaat, and it's ready to serve. You just have to mix it up and mix all the sauces so you can get all the flavors and serve it. And bon appetit! So the next favorite item that I had as a kid in my house was chana chaat. So I am going to be making that chana chaat with that perfect imli chutney and pyaz and mirche, all of that. So I'll show you guys how I do the chana chaat. So for the chana chaat, add 2 cans of chanas. I've got 1 boiled potato, 1 green chili, 1 chopped diced onion. Now add the imli chutney. Squeeze half a lemon and add Shan chaat masala. Now add this according to your taste and let's mix it. Add tomatoes. Now mix well and garnish with some chopped coriander. So the second last item on the iftar menu is fruit chaat, and I have to tell you, this has to be my most favorite dish from my childhood, which reminds me every time of my mom. And I'm gonna show you how we have been making it since I can't remember, but exactly the same recipe, and I'm gonna share it with you now. So to start off, add whatever fruits you want. I'm having apple, grapes, kiwi, pear, strawberries, pomegranate, and bananas. Now to make it juicy, I've got 2 oranges juiced. I've got 2 teaspoons of fruit chaat masala, and I've got 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well so that it all is in the juice, and then add it to your fruit chaat and then mix it really well. Now what I usually do is I would add the Shan fruit chaat masala. I use this Shan fruit chaat masala for the fruit chaat, and now I'm gonna top it off with this masala. And that's it, it's ready. So the last item on the iftar menu is pakore. Now who does not love pakore?
I love it.
And this recipe is really close to my heart because I've learned it from my mom. Now, the way I make it is really different in terms of they're not puffy and thick and full of besan. They're crispy and thin and very less besan. So I'm going to show you the recipe now. So for the pakoras, I have 2 thinly sliced potatoes, and I'm going to add all the rest of the ingredients. I've got 1 fully sliced onion, and I've got some green chilies. You can add according to your taste. And now I'm gonna add besan to it. So I don't like to add a lot of besan, so I'm gonna roughly add 3 tablespoons, and that's it. For the masala, I'm using Shan chaat masala again, and it's actually perfect with the spices. So again, you can add according to your taste, but I'm roughly adding 1 tablespoon. Now, one thing that I have learned from my mom is to add imli, tamarind, to the besan. So I'm using this puree, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of it. And now I'm gonna add some water. And mix it well. Now you can add water as you go along with mixing and see how the consistency is, or you can do it according to your consistency. This is the mixture ready for pakoras. So this is the Ramadan spread, and these are the memories that I have grown up with and created with my family. It has every single item that has the taste of home, and I'm sure that you guys would associate with this some way or the other. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Ramadan.